The access to EM Client License Manager is gained with the purchase of EM Client Pro License. You will receive the credentials in the license information mail. Sign In brings you to the home page where you can view your account info and change your password. To manage your licenses, open the License tab at the top. Licenses tab contains information on your purchased licenses. Go to the Activations tab to see the devices using your licenses. Here you can see the basic information about the users of your license. Go to the Server Settings tab to create centralized settings. The Add button will create a new setting in the list, and you can configure it either by inserting a pre-prepared XML file exported from EM Client, linking to the file's URL, or through the web-based editor. Inside the editor, you can define specific program settings, like which folders will be shown, how often the program will synchronize with the server, unify the appearance for all users, and specify all other mail, calendar, contacts, or tasks preferences. Make sure to save all your changes before going to the next section. You can also create signatures, templates, and quick texts using HTML code and decide if you want to allow users to make any changes. Depends on if you want to set recommended settings rather than mandated ones. Rules, accounts, and restrictions need to be inserted as an XML code. Make sure to read our written guide or reach out to support to get more details on specific formatting. Make sure to name your setting for easier orientation. Select specific or all activations using the checkboxes on the left and click Set Server Setting. Select your new setting and save to assign it to your selected activations. If the view does not seem to show all items correctly, click the Synchronization button to update the view. Once in EM Client, the new setting will be downloaded automatically on the next startup of the app, but it can be downloaded manually through Menu, Help, Check for Updates section. The changes will be applied instantly once the new server setting is imported from the license server. When you need to update your predefined setting, just go back to the Server Settings tab, reopen your setting in the editor, and make your changes. Just make sure to use the Force Update button once you're done to resend the new setting to the users. You don't need to assign the setting again in the Activations tab.